Today we're going to walk you through unboxing of an Uponor AquaPort unit. Today we'll be working with the 180,000 BTU unit. First thing we'll do is remove the top cover. What we'll first see is we see a sleeve. Actually, this is a piece of bubble wrap, but it also functions as a sleeve to protect the frame and the front cover from job site wear and tear. Next, we'll get the unit out and get it on the table. Using a slot screwdriver, we'll open it up, remove the front cover, set it over here for right now. There are 4 wing nuts that we have to loosen up to be able to get the front trim frame off. And that comes off easy. What you'll notice also is these are hinged, so they're collapsible, so everything folds down to make it simple and easy to be able to make a nice low profile package that'll go into the sleeve. Then we can take the cover once we have that all prepped and slide it into the sleeve. We'll set that aside for later. Now that we're done removing the cover and protecting that in the trim frame, now we're ready to remove the AquaPort from the back panel. Using a 10mm socket, we'll use that to remove the 4 nuts that are anchoring it to the back plate.